Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about my beautiful farmhouse mirror. So this beautiful mirror is by Clavie, and I wanted to tell you some things that I personally love about it. First of all, it's beautiful. It gave the hallway the perfect little up that I was looking for. I love how sturdy everything is. It was very easy to put together, but it's very durable. This isn't going to break on you. It came very well packaged. Nothing was broken or chipped or scratched, and it only took a couple minutes for us to put it all together and hang it in the hallway, and it just looks beautiful there. So this mirror comes in different colors and sizes. I got white, and you can see here how easy it is to put together. This is just a quick video of my husband putting it all together. Like I said, it only took a couple moments. So I absolutely love this mirror. It has given my hallway the little pick-me-up that I wanted it to. It just adds a little flair and a little style, and I absolutely love it. But that's just my point of view.